Honey. Darling. How did your date went? It's the best date, mommy. Who is this boy, where he's from? He's from Jamaica and he has a brother goes by the name Jellyface, mommy. Did you say Jellyface? Yes. Do you know him? Yes, I do. I met him in the park. Mommy, he's the new cook at the restaurant. Honey. I'm going to get some food, eat. Later, mommy.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hello, daddy.
Who is this boy you're seeing, and I hope he has good sense?
His name is Jughead.
Did you say Drugshead?
No, daddy, Jughead.
Because I am about to call the police. I need no drugs dealer near my little girl.
Oh, come on. Daddy, stop be so dramatic.
I know what these young dog doing, especially the social media.
Daddy. Jughead is not that type of person.
Okay, let's see about that.
Okay, daddy.
Hey Cherry, how are you? I miss seeing you at school.
Teacher, stop it.
I can't. Because I want to teach you.
Don't worry. You will get to feel me soon.
Yes! And when, Cherry?
The right time, teacher.
I like that.